What if I told you that $100 a month could grow into over $200,000? Here's something I hear all the time. I want to invest, but I don't have enough money to start. And I get it. Between rent, groceries, student loans, and just trying to live your life, it feels like investing is for rich people. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You need time. And right now, if you're in your 20s or early 30s, you have the single most valuable asset in all of personal finance. In this video, we're going to cover why $100 per month is more powerful than you think. Exactly where to put that money as a beginner. The biggest mistakes new investors make, and how to skip them. And a simple action plan you can start this week. Okay, let's start with the most important concept in all of investing. It's called compound interest. And Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. I don't know if he actually said that, but whoever did wasn't wrong. When you invest money, it earns a return. Let's say 8% per year, which is roughly the long-term average of the stock market. Then next year, you earn a return not just on your original money, but also on the gains from last year. It's interest on interest. And over time, that snowball effect is absolutely massive. Let me show you some real numbers. You invest $100 per month starting at age 25 for 40 years. You contribute $48,000 of your own money. Your account grows to approximately $349,000. You wait until 35 to start. Same $100 per month. You contribute $36,000. You end up with around $149,000. You wait until 45. You contribute $24,000. You end up with about $58,000.